Hey guys, it's Andrew here. Welcome back. Today we will be making granola. Heck yes! Finally something healthy and vegan on my channel, I think. Anyway, this is going to be a very quick and easy recipe that is highly modifiable to your own taste. So without any more time to waste, let's go baby! Awesome. So first, it's time to get a bowl, and a pretty big one for mixing. In that bowl, add in 4 cups of rolled oats. If you're allergic to gluten, then use gluten-free oats. If you're allergic to gluten and don't give a shit, don't use gluten-free oats. Choose the kind you want. I used old-fashioned rolled oats, and that's the only thing that matters. Now add in 1 to 2 cups of raw nuts and seeds. For this particular recipe, I used a cup of roughly chopped almonds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and half a cup of pumpkin seeds. Again, as I said before, you can use what seems to fit your taste. Mix a little bit with the hands. Oh, wow, that's a great feeling. Feels very satisfying. Good. Now we can add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt to the bowl, then add in about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and now fully mix everything. Good. Now the most essential part of the recipe, the wet stuff. Fill a cup halfway with any oil you'd like. If you're vegan, oh wait, you can still use any oil. I use neutral tasting canola oil. I think it's best fit for granola. Pour it out onto the oats and then add in half a cup of honey. Now, I used honey, but if you don't have honey, you can substitute it with maple syrup. It works great also. Maybe even you like maple syrup more than honey. Do as you please. Then add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and you're set. Great. Now thoroughly mix everything with a big wooden spoon. Why did I remember the spoonful meme? It's me, King Bat! Make sure every oat, every seed, and every nut is coated. Then get a sheet pan coated with parchment paper. Spread your granola smoothly out on the sheet pan with a spoon and put it in a preheated 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, this is important. Halfway through cooking, you should bring out your spoon and mix the granola around. This way it prevents it from burning and also it makes it bake evenly. Now this is important. Don't forget to check in on your granola on the second half of baking constantly because it can easily burn. I was baking for 20 minutes and forgot to check in on the granola, and this is what happened. It's not super bad, but it got a bit toasty. Also, once the granola is out of the oven, it will keep on frying a little bit, so if it's a bit undercooked out of the oven, don't worry. Now leave it out in room temperature for 45 minutes at least. That way it will harden and stop frying. Okay, after 45 minutes it's rock hard, like The Rock. Anyway, now this is the part where you put on your dried berries. I put on some dried and chopped cranberries with a little bit of goji berries. So then do that, and then the last thing to do is just to store everything in an airproof container and enjoy for weeks to come. Unless you're like me and just snack on this stuff all day, every day, and it's gone in a couple of days. So yeah, this is the very easy to make granola. I love eating this stuff with Greek yogurt and jam, and I hope you'll enjoy it eating too. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this fix video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please smash the like button and comment what should I be making, cooking next. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!